Alright, so I got a flat, really slow leak. And now if you have a look at the tyre here, this was pumped up hard 24 hours ago. It's got this much air left in it, so it's a very slow leak. So I'm going to test the theory. If we put a mouthful of water in the tube, it should stay up. So what you need is a straw, a mouth, and a water, as well as a valve tool. So, starting first of all, we'll take the valve out. You can get your valve tool that you need from any valve tool supply place. Only a small mouthful of water. Right, success. Couple of shots to get it, wrong side straw. Okay, so put the valve back in. And then we'll pump it up. Now I pump my tyres up to 100 psi. So we will see how well it goes in a week's time, and I'll let you know how much air has come out. Alright, pump her up. Make sure you put your valve in nice and tight though, because if the valve's leaking, well, you know, it's just going to let the air out again. Okay, we're getting up to 80. Get the extra pressure in. Okay, it's 100 psi. Today is Thursday. I'll let you know if it stays at 100. You can check the gauge here as well. Check the gauge there as well. You can see that it's at 100 psi. Yep, word up. Alright, so about 60 hours ago, I put some water into my tube to fix my flat, pumped it up to 100 psi. So I'm just going to test the psi now, 60 hours later. So we'll chuck this on here and we'll find out exactly. So I'm down to about 80 psi. Down to about 80 psi over a space of 60 hours, which is, in theory, isn't too bad. Maybe it's 70 psi, but in theory isn't too bad, considering that the way that the tyre was, you know, 24 hours after I pumped it up, it was pretty flat, which you saw at the beginning of the video. So I think it works. It's a good safety measure. I hate having to fix flats. I hate having to take my back wheel out, putting new tubes in and stuff. So that works pretty good. I'm happy with that. You know, I could run that and just keep continually pumping it up, because you're going to lose air anyway in your tyre. So I'm going to pump that up to 100 psi, and I'm going to go ride again. And I think I'll just leave it until I get a flat next time. Little tip for you.